Hello friends, this is Shrikant from geekinteger. How are you doing today? Today we will look at the setup of Amazon Fire Stick. We will connect the Fire Stick to the TV. So in the box we have a power adapter. We have a power adapter in the Fire Stick. So basically you connect the cable. You connect the cable to the power adapter and this particular power plug to the Amazon Fire Stick like this. So let me just connect to this Fire Stick to the HDMI port of the TV and this and also the power plug to the power cable. Let me just connect it here. So I have connected the Fire Stick to the TV. I put in the batteries into the remote. Let me just switch on the TV. And let me go to the HDMI option. Alright. So as you see, this is the first boot up of Fire TV stick. So it is basically giving the asking us to press this play or pause button. As you can see, it is giving in different languages. Right now it seems to be Mandarin and different languages. So let me just press this button. Okay, press. Okay. Alright. As you see, it is asking us to choose the language. So let me just choose English India. I'll press the center button. Okay, it is scanning for the networks. So if you see, I have the 5 GHz network as well as the 2.4 GHz network. It is recognizing both, so that is really good. So let me just connect to the Wi-Fi network. So let me just type in the password here to connect the network. So I have typed in my password and now I'll just go and connect here. Okay, it is connected to my Wi-Fi network. So it is connecting for the network and checking for the updates. Alright, so it is already downloading the latest software. It's really good. Alright, now it has since it has downloaded the software, it is rebooting. Alright, so it has downloaded the latest software and now it is rebooting after now it is installing the latest software which it has downloaded just now. That's really good. Quite interesting to see here. It is just mentioning latest software. It is not mentioning the versions or anything. Alright, it has installed the latest software. It has downloaded, rebooted, then installed the latest software, then it is rebooting again. Alright, so now what do we have here? We have the first boot of the Fire Stick after it is connected to the network and after it has downloaded the latest software. It is saying that it is optimizing system storage and applications. This will take approximately 10 minutes to complete. It's interesting that at the very first boot up it has downloaded the latest software and it is performing this optimizations. That's really good, but since I've not installed any apps or anything, I'm not sure what optimization it will perform, but let's just wait and see what comes out of it. Alright, I think we are ended the optimization. So it really didn't take 10 minutes, about 6 to 7 minutes it took. Wow, then again it is checking for updates. Really good. Alright, so now it is successfully registered. It's quite interesting that since I've already ordered this from my Amazon account, I believe it has already taken it from there, which is really good. So I don't have to do the whole setup of registering again. I really like this option. So I'll just continue as Shrikant. Okay, I've saved the passwords. Let's go ahead. So then it is asking for any parental controls. No, I don't want to set it up right now. Now it is again checking for the network speed. Now it is asking me to giving certain information of how the Fire Stick basically looks, and it is giving some kind of a demo. Okay, so it is giving me the overview of.
Skip ahead 2 minutes. Or catch up on your favorite show. Play Bosch. It's easy to browse through episodes and recommendations. Just use the outer ring of the remote to navigate and press the
Okay,
center button to make
so
your
it's basically
selection.
giving me the
Or use your smartphone as a remote. Download the free
overall
Fire TV remote
demo
from
of
the
how
App
the
Store.
things work in
And
Fire
speaking
Stick.
of apps, many of your favorites are available for
It's
Fire
really
TV.
good.
There's Netflix.
Well, if you look at this, the intro they have given here is more of, I feel, for the US based customers, since we don't have Prime Music, Prime Photos within India.
Easy, right? Enjoy your new Fire TV stick from Amazon.
All right. Okay, so wow, this is a first boot up of the Fire Stick, and you see on the top right corner, if you see, we have like home, your videos, movies, TV shows, apps, and settings. Already I have a notifications, so let's just see. So they have given what are the Fire Stick, Fire TV tips. So let's just go back. All right, so thank you for your time and support. Please subscribe to our channel. Goodbye.